Hey, y'all, it's your girl Janice. So I'm coming to you with an actual little tutorial. All right, this is what y'all been waiting for. So I just said, you know what? Let me show up and give the people what they want. So here I am showing you a 4-step non-slip knot method. That is what I call it. This is a for sure way for your crochet hair not to fall out, slip, slide. They can get in the pool. They can do what they want. They can wash their hair. It is not coming out. It ain't budget. So watch the finger play. All right. It looks like I'm playing the violin or something like that. Well, that's how I feel about it. Like I'm pulling one chord, pulling the next chord. Anyways, let me stop talking. No, not really. So let me show you what I do. I put my little customized latch hook in there. I make sure that it's a sizable piece. I grab one, grab the other leg, and pull both legs, flatten the knot to the cornrow, and there you have it. We're going to slow it down for you so you can really catch the workmanship, all right?
You're going to make sure that you do. Gonna try. I'm only gonna do what I can do. That's true. That's true. If you could wear if you gotta wear a boot and a heel. Mm-hmm. That's funny.
All right, you see it there? Slow-mo for you. I hope you got it and you got it good. All right, so here we go. Yep, we're just going to speed it up. You do that all the way around the perimeter. This is not the seamless hemline. So this is for someone who just wants an ordinary basic install. They don't want to put it up in a ponytail. They don't want it looking like it's growing out their scalp. And also this braid pattern is for people who don't want any parts. So you have like a beehive going around and then a zigzag in the middle. And that's how I did that there. Now, for those who aren't braiders, but want to learn how to do the crochet install, definitely take a class on how to braid because that is very important. Or you can hire an assistant that will do your breakdowns for you while you do the installs. That's what I did, but I knew how to braid. I just needed an assistant after a while because we got so incredibly busy. And now my assistant is my stylist, and that's how we grew. Anyways, so I continue doing this all the way around the head, and I'm going to show you guys another way to do this for a double-sided knotless. All right, so just keep on watching. Right here, you see what I'm doing? Pay attention. I put the hair under the cornrow, put the latch hook back in, grab the leg, grab the other leg through the loop, pull taut on both sides, make sure that the knot is up under. Now, you may know this technique called as the underloop. Okay, that's the other name of it. It's called the underloop. This allows you to have double-sided knotless. All right, pay attention. Voila, there you have it. Make sure to take the class. For more information, check the link in bio.